Okay, sweetie, so this is section 2.4. This is number 41. You have the limit as theta goes to 0 of tangent theta over theta squared cotangent 3 theta. Now, we're going to break this down into two parts. We're going to do the top and we're going to do the bottom. The top part I did in pink and the bottom I did in purple. I'm going to show you how to do both. Alright, so let's start with the top. For the top part, what you're trying to get is tangent of theta over theta, like that property we did. Sine theta over theta equals 1. The same is for tangent. The tangent of theta over theta equals 1. So, what we're missing with the tangent theta is we're missing that theta on the bottom. So what you do to one side, you do to the other. We multiply the top and bottom by tangent of theta. And we'll get this. You get tangent of theta times theta over theta. The tangent of theta over theta can cancel out and make 1. So you're left with 1 times theta. So your answer is theta. So your answer for that top part is going to be theta. I wrote it there in pink. All right. That shouldn't be too hard. Now let's go down to the denominator. All right. So the denominator. You have theta squared over 1. And then you had the cotangent of 3 theta. The cotangent of 3 theta can be rewritten as 1 over tangent of 3 theta because of our properties. So, same thing with this one. We need a 3 theta on top to get our 3 theta over tangent of 3 theta to equal 1. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Make sure to carry over your theta squared, and you'll get this. You'll get 3 theta on top over tangent of 3 theta times 3 theta. Your 3 theta over tangent of 3 theta can cancel out to 1. Don't forget to carry your theta squared, and you get 1 over 3 theta. Because they're being multiplied together, you can go ahead and just multiply. When you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the tops together and multiply the bottoms together. When we do that, go down here, we get theta squared over 3 theta. That theta squared can be rewritten as theta times theta, which, you know, from doing factoring, that should be common knowledge. So we can cancel out that theta, making it smaller. So our answer for the bottom is theta over 3. So I wrote that up here in purple. So we've done a lot of working out, so we get theta over 3. In order to handle a fraction over a fraction, what you do is you do your KCF, your keep, change, and flip. So we're going to keep the top, we're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the values on the bottom. So I did that down here. Let's just move down here. All right. So your limit as theta is going to 0. We're going to keep the first value. We're going to change that division that we had there to multiplication right there. And we're going to swap the values. So instead of theta over 3, we got 3 over theta. You can cross out the thetas. You're left with 3 over 1. So your answer for number 41, section 2.4, is 3.